Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful festive season. So for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you might have already seen that I have partnered with Estee Lauder this year to create festive gift sets, and this has been such a wonderful collaboration. It's a brand I love. I use their products so often, especially some of their skincare and foundations are a staple in my routine. So when they reached out to me that if I'd like to partner for their Diwali gift sets, I was so happy and so excited. I flew down to India in August for the shoot, and you might have seen these visuals on their Instagram page as well as mine. So let's dive into this. What I'm going to do today in this video is I'm going to use all my 4 kits. I'm going to get ready, show you how I created this really simple, fresh, ultra wearable Diwali look, and then I'm also going to use one of my kits which is mostly skincare and amazing skincare to take it all off. So it's a get ready with me and a get unready with me as well. So let's get started. My first kit is the skincare Saviours kit. Now ordinarily if you buy these 2 products together you would pay about 2,700, but with the bundle together you get this for rupees 2,000, so you're saving quite a lot. This has a mini advanced night repair, which is the iconic brown bottle. This is a serum that anyone can use. It suits every skin type, super lightweight, sinks into the skin really easily, has hyaluronic acid, ferments, and just helps in maintaining the glow of the skin. It also has a mild anti-aging action, so for any of you who are starting to see some fine lines, dryness, dullness, this is really nice to include in your routine. And even though it says night repair, this is something you can use in the morning as well. And then the second product is the advanced night repair eye. Now this is an amazing eye cream, especially for tired eyes, because it helps repair a lot of damage that happens due to the blue light that we are subjected to because we are on screens for so long. I love the consistency of this. It's like a bouncy, cushiony cream, and not only is it great for evening, but it also doubles up really well under concealer. So again, this is a product that I use in the daytime as well. So that is the first kit, which is the skincare Saviours kit. Now coming on to the second kit, which is actually my personal favorite. This is the festive treats kit. So in this we've got the advanced night repair, of course. Then we've got a mini of the double wear stay in place makeup, which is my favorite long wearing foundation. Whenever I want to look absolutely flawless, this is my go-to, and it stays really well. The shade range is amazing. For those of you who might be wondering, I wear the shade Cashew in this. It's a bit warmer than my skin, but it matches my neck, so when I use this I get like a nice even tone throughout. So what I'm going to do is, you guys know I love like a dewy radiant finish, so I'm going to take some of my ANR serum and I'm going to add like 2 to 3 drops of the foundation into this. I'm going to mix this up, and what I'm creating basically is like my own tinted serum. Tinted serums and tinted face oils are the next big thing in makeup, so you can create your own by mixing in a really effective serum with your favorite foundation. So as you can see, I'm using just my fingers to tap and blend, and it just blends so easily and so seamlessly. You don't need to use brushes or even blenders. Your fingers just work. So I think this is a great kit for people who are just starting out with makeup. They may not have a lot of products and they may not have a lot of tools, but just these 3 products can help you create a nice fresh look. So next I'm going to take my mini lipstick in the shade Rebellious Rose. I love this warm pink. I think this is a color that works for so many skin tones and just brightens your skin, giving you like a really fresh pink which is not too bright and just livens up your face. So I'm going to use this as a lip color as well as a cheek color, and you might have seen me do this all the time. I love using creamy lipsticks in particular as a cheek color as well. So that is the Festive Treats kit. Again, major savings and products that you can use every single day. Now the third kit is actually a gift with purchase. So when you buy products worth rupees 3,500 or above, you get this beautiful golden clutch which is going to see you through all the festive Diwali parties this season, and you get 3 minis. The first one is the Pure Color Envy lipstick in Rebellious Rose that we just talked about. The second product is the Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara, and this is amazing. It just lengthens, adds a lot of volume, really thickens your lashes, and I think it's just the perfect mascara for especially for like parties, evening, when you want your lashes to really pop. So that's the second product. And then the third one you have is the Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. Now this is a little different from the ANR serum. This is a serum as well, but it's like a bit thicker, it's more concentrated. I love the packaging because it comes with this little mini spatula built into it, and it's so easy to apply. Really good for fine lines, for dullness, if you're starting to see dryness on your skin. I love using this especially in the winter because it's just a bit more nourishing than the ANR. So that was the GWP kit, and now coming to the final kit, which I think is such an amazing gift for anyone, but especially for someone who wants to get into skincare or someone who already loves skincare, and that is the Nighttime Experts. So this is the Nighttime Experts kit. This comes with 5 products housed in this really pretty box. So I'm just going to open this and show you the products. So here we've got 5 products. We've got the Micro Essence, we've got the Cleansing Foam, the ANR Serum, the ANR Eye, and the Intense Reset Concentrate. So what I'm going to do now is remove everything and show you how you can use this kit for a complete skincare routine. You already have seen how I created this look using the first 3 kits, and now let's take it all off and prepare our skin for the night time. So starting the night care routine now, I've got my Micro Cleansing Foam here. This has got like a slight lavender scent to it, which I find quite calming. Now normally I would splash water on my face, but since I'm shooting, I'm just going to use a base towel. I love that this doesn't dry out my skin because that's a pet peeve of mine. I really don't like cleansers that, you know, make me feel dry afterwards. Then we've got the Micro Essence, which is the skin activating treatment lotion, and this is it's got like a toner like consistency, or essence like. I'm going to take a little bit on my palm. I'm just going to press it into the skin. Don't forget to take your skincare all the way down. I really like kind of this pressing and tapping when I use my toners and essences. I just feel like it absorbs a lot better. Next I'm going to use the eye cream. We've got the Advanced Night Repair Eye, and again, don't need a lot, just 3 dots under the eyes. Just want to show you the consistency. It's kind of like a bouncy thick gel, and just going to use my fingers to gently massage it in, especially in the under eye because the skin's like so thin over here that you don't want to like drag your skin. Next we've got the ANR, the serum. I'm going to take about 5 drops of this. You can do the signature heart ritual, or you can just sort of press and pat it into the skin. Either way, it works. So my skin's feeling pretty good already. And the last product is going to be our Intense Reset Concentrate, and I love the packaging because it just makes it so easy to use. And on the forehead I'm starting to see like some lines, so I'm going to make sure I don't miss my forehead. And again, with just my fingertips, very gently, just going to massage it into the skin. Because the Intense Reset Concentrate has got like a thicker consistency, it feels quite nice to use that in the end to just seal everything in. And that is our nighttime skincare routine using the Nighttime Experts kit. Love how my skin feels right now. It doesn't feel greasy, it just feels nicely hydrated, soft, bouncy, and it's got like a nice glow to it. So those are the gift sets that we've created with Estee Lauder this year. We've got the skincare saviors, the festive treats, the gift with purchase, and the nighttime experts. These are available online as well as offline, except for the nighttime experts, which is exclusive to Nykaa. I'm going to share all the availability and price details anyway in the description box below. Thank you all for watching. I do hope you enjoy these kits, whether it's for yourself or for gifting to a loved one. Wishing you all a very happy festive season, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.